Dextrose IV solutions can be tricky for nursing students to understand. I'm about to break it down for you in a way that you will always understand and always know when you should use these isotonic dextrose solutions. The first isotonic dextrose solution to talk about is 5% dextrose in 0.225% normal saline. This is represented here, and you can see the blue is the fluid, and then we have these little green dots, that's the dextrose. Remember, dextrose is sugar. And we have the brown dots, that is the stuff, the electrolytes that are in the normal saline. That's gonna be your sodium chloride. Over here, I drew normal saline. So the amount of stuff in the liquid, which remember, that's the tonicity, is about the same. It's just what the stuff is different. In normal saline, it's going to be just electrolytes primarily. But in a dextrose solution, it's going to be dextrose plus maybe some electrolytes. Dextrose in water is just not going to have any electrolytes. And remember, dextrose is just a sugar, and all sugars turn to glucose in the body. If you go back to your step 1 of the silver bullet study system, what happens to glucose in the body? Under normal circumstances, glucose will always be moved into cells. What this means for IV solutions is that all of the dextrose that's in your IV bag is going to pretty much disappear from the bloodstream almost immediately after you administer it. And this is the secret, the really, really nerdy, cool secret that makes dextrose solutions a very unique IV solution. Because even though they're isotonic in the bag, watch what happens when I take out all the dextrose. Now the 5% dextrose in water is simply pure water. And since tonicity is measured by the ratio of stuff to water, that officially makes pure water hypotonic. And the 5% dextrose that's in 0.225% saline, that's a way less percentage than the 0.9% that normally makes up normal saline, which means that even this one is way hypotonic too. And this is why you'll hear dextrose solutions referred to as isotonic, but functionally hypotonic. Because as soon as it hits the bloodstream, that's what starts happening. In my next video, I'm going to talk about some situations when you would want this to happen. But for right now, make sure you watch this video again. I want to make sure you understand.